Good afternoon, everyone. I'm so glad to introduce my research work here. Today I will discuss about biodegradable plastic bag because we have an urgent need to use a biodegradable plastic bag. Every year we have a lot of waste from the plastic bag and it's deposited in the ground and marine water. But we have a lot of disadvantages on the PPT presentation, and we can see, for example, the plastics can degrade in 2000 years, so we can see plastic in our age. So it's important to save the world. So the next. You can see there all the socio-economic and environmental and also health effects from the presentation. Also, we can save the energy if we transfer the plastic bags into a biodegradable bag. Please, next. I made a plastic bag from a natural biopolymer, and it's decomposed into simple products, that is water, carbon dioxide, and also biomass. It can be decomposable by marine and terrestrial, some microorganisms in 10 years. Also, we have a lot of advantages. It's biodegradable and it forms less wastes, no harmful. We are not using the no harmful chemicals to produce it. Also, it's lines to our suitable for sustainable development. It's also less emission, biodegradable products, and also saving the energy. To use a plastic bag is not our choice, it's our responsibility to save the earth. Thank you very much for your attention.